Better the devil you know than the devil you don't. This old saying is defining a massive shift happening in workplaces right now. People are clinging to their current jobs, even the unfulfilling ones, because the unknown feels scarier than staying put. After years of the Great Resignation, the pendulum has swung completely. Welcome to the era of job hugging. Job hugging is exactly what it sounds like. Employees are holding on to their current role for dear life, even when it underpays them, doesn't challenge them, or leads nowhere. People who 2 years ago would have jumped at a new opportunity are now saying, maybe next year, or it's not the right time. What happens when your entire workforce is made up of people who are staying out of fear rather than choice? What does that mean for innovation, for growth, for the future of your business? The cost is real. A team of disengaged but stable employees is a silent killer. They show up, sure, but their lack of enthusiasm stifles creativity and slows innovation. Team morale suffers. You end up with a culture where good enough becomes the standard, and that makes it nearly impossible to attract the ambitious, top-tier talent you need to actually move forward. You're not building a team, you're managing a holding pattern. It's time to re-recruit your own team. Don't take your current employees for granted. Check in with them, understand their career goals, create real pathways for internal mobility and growth. Foster psychological safety so people feel secure enough to take risks and voice ideas without fear. And invest in your people, meaningful development, transparent communication about the company's future, and competitive compensation aren't nice-to-haves. They're essential retention tools. Make your workplace somewhere people want to be, not just somewhere they're afraid to leave. The goal isn't just to have people who stay, it's to have people who are engaged, committed, and growing. Stability born from loyalty and opportunity is powerful. It builds careers and companies that last. But stability born from fear? That's fragile. It cracks under pressure. So ask yourself, are you being held onto? And is this grip coming from strength or from fear? Because the answer to that question determines everything that comes next.